Traidor! Traidor ka. Haliparot! Haliparot! Bruha! 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 Bruha ka! Hampas lupa! Hampas lupa! Hampas lupa! My gosh! Hayop! Hayop ka! Sampid! Sampid ka! Taksil! At taksil ka! Ako na ang kontrabida niyan.
4 countries in 1 month. Girl, you are insane. Sobrang yaman mo. Ganun talaga kapag mayor yung daddy ko. Just kidding. E di nag-business class ka na naman. Of course. Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung una, nakaka-stress. My dad's assistant was so stupid. I think she was trying to sabotage me. She put me in the economy class. Economy. Can you even imagine that? I mean, I'm not sitting in the economy like a regular person. Duh. Pero di ba may private jet kayo? Bakit hindi na lang yun yung ginamit nyo? Private jet? Oh. Daddy, please, let me use our private jet. Denise, hindi nga pwede. Mainit mga mata sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko. Parang natunugan na kasi nila na I didn't even distribute the donations that I got from them ng bagyo. Sa mata nila, binulsa ko lahat ng mga yun. Which is true. Kinwento mo kaya sa amin ni Mommy yun. Tapos diba, Daddy, I got a quarter of that donation. At hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun. You know what? Maglaylo ka muna sa mga travels or sa pag-shopping mo. Stay away from social media as well dahil maraming sumasabit na politicians dahil sa mga stubborn children nila. Kainis naman! But don't worry, itadivert ko yung attention nila by visiting the orphanage. Kailangan ko muna magpakitang tao. Makinig ka muna sa akin ngayon, Denise. Dad! End of discussion. The private jet was not available kasi parang may naayos yata. But anyway, I was so mad sa assistant talaga. Parang gusto niya akong pahirapan. Just be grateful na nakakapag-travel ka. Also, upgrades are limited. Baka she put you in the economy class kasi naubusan na. Stupid pa rin siya. And Jamie, for the love of someone, this is my grateful face, okay? So manahimik ka na lang if you don't have anything nice to say. You're always trying to be a bad friend, right, Kara? I'm not trying to be a bad friend. I'm just saying na hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag-travel. Also, your dad's assistant was just doing her job. Oh, please, Jamie, don't preach to me. Hindi ko fault na my life is better. That's just how the world works. Some were born to suffer, some were born, well, like me. Yeah, born with the taxpayers' money. Ano sabi mo? My dad works hard for the city. Works hard, wala nga natatapos sa projects under his leadership. Be for real, Denise. Dad, ikaw ba tinutukoy sa news?
Ayon sa kasalukuyang investigasyon, limpak-limpak na pondo ng lungsod na nakalaan para sana sa infrastruktura, kalusugan at social programs ay umano'y nailihis sa mga pribadong account na konektado sa mayor ng lungsod na to. Nagkalat ang mga peking dokumento, ghost projects at kaliwat kanan sa buhatan ng mga kontratista. Wala pa ring pahayag mula sa tanggapan ng mayor habang nananawagan naman ang mga mamamayan ng pananagutan. Jessica Rivera, nag-uulat.
Dad, paano na ako? Paano na kami nila, Mommy? It's also all over the social media. Pinupuli na nila ako sa comment section. Akala ko ba walang makakaalam?
Don't worry, anak. I'll fix this, okay? Babayaran ko lang sila and besides, kakampi natin yung gobyerno. Lilipas din yan, matatabunan na ibang issues, makakalimutan ng mga tao.
I've been trying to call you but you girls are not answering the phone. My gosh, I'm glad I found you here. I need comfort. Kasi hindi maganda yung morning ko. Like, people are so gullible. They are all over my comment section saying my family is corrupt. Naniniwala sila masyado sa fake news. Bias naman itong mga cheap journalists na to. Hindi ba? Jamie. Huh? Hindi ba totoo? Stop being clueless. Aware ka. Alam din lahat yan. Tsaka hindi lang yung sabi-sabi, Denise. May audit, may documents, may evidence. Alam mo, Jamie, kontrabida ka talaga. These so-called documents are probably for my dad's enemies. You know how politics works and my dad is respected. Hindi siya corrupt.
Kaya lang naman nagtagal yung daddy mo kasi binibili niya lahat ng mga dapat magsalita. Officials, media, and even voters. And you? Isa kang poster child ng nakaw na yaman. Yung mga relief goods at mga donations na para sa mga nasalanta, ayun. Napunta dyan sa closet nyo as designer bags, designer shoes, and designer clothes. Yung kasadang dapat tapos na, ayun, binabahanan naman, sira na naman kasi bulok yung materials na ginamit eh.
You think you're better than me?
Oo, kasi hindi naman kami kumakain ng isang pagkain na galing sa nakaw. Hindi kami natutulog sa isang kama na binili gamit yung perang dapat pambayad sa ospital. Hindi kami bumabiyahe or nagta-travel gamit ang isang private jet na galing sa buwis ng isang taong naglalakad araw-araw dahil walang maayos na public transportation. Jamie, you're so cruel. Alam mo, Denise, kung iniisip mo na luxury defines you, wake up. You're not powerful. You're pitiful. You only shine just because your family steals the electricity. Kapag bumagsak na yung pamilya mong corrupt, especially your dad, you'll be left with nothing but the shame of his name. Piece of advice, Kara. Pwede ka pang magbago. Pwede pang magbago isip mo. Don't let her buy you. Kara? Hi girls, have you seen my vlog? Oh my gosh, yes! Super ganda ng Barcelona. Alam mo, feeling ko, nandun ako kasama ka. Tapos yung mga haul ng mga clothes mo. Girl, ang gastos in fairness ha. I just spent 700,000 pesos. Sa mga bags mo pa lang, mabubutas na yung wallet mo. Ano ka ba, Kara? Never mabubutas yung wallet ko. Dad just transferred a lot of money in my bank account, so why not spend it, right? Tapos alam niyo ba, muntik ko pang awayin yung friend ng cousin ko kasi I wanna buy a bag in red and blue. Tapos bigla siyang humirit ng one bag is enough. Nakakairita, diba? Ah, pakilamera? I know, that's such a poor people word. Excuse me? Come on, Jamie. If you settle for one, it shows that you can afford more and nakakalungkot yun. Wait, na-offend ka ba? Baka hindi mo rin afford. The heck, Denise? Just kidding! I have pasalubongs for you girls. There is a car? Yo, Denise, this party is great. I mean, how did you even get us this entire beach? Philip, my dad is the mayor. He closed it for maintenance on paper, but in reality, it's my playground for the weekend. That's cool. Anyway, my dad wants to know if your father could help us with some permits sa construction namin. Ang tagal kasi ma-approve sa City Hall eh. Oh please, Daddy signs the paper faster than he reads them. Just give me the documents and, I'll have them stamped tomorrow. Basta you know the kapalit, ha? Pera ba?
Money, gifts, vacations, favors, call it whatever you like. Daddy prefers tokens of gratitude. And trust me, without that, your papers will stay buried under City Hall dust.
Wala bang makakaalam?
Makakaalam? Our family has been running things like this for generations. It's not just politics, it's a dynasty. I mean, hindi magiging mayor si Dad by playing fair, and neither did his father before him. Every favor, every token of gratitude, every little shortcut, it all keeps the family on top.
Oh.
Philip, lahat tayong mayayaman, especially my family, rules aren't meant for us. We own them. We bend, we twist, even break them, and no one dares to fight back. I mean, that's the beauty of it. People still think the system works when really this city, it's already ours. And it always will be. Kapag gustuhin ko tumakbo ako mayor, for sure mananalo ako, but just wanna enjoy my dad's money. I wanna enjoy the people's money. If you know what I mean.
Your family is
Corrupt,
and cool.
but powerful. My siblings and my whole family are very privileged. Permits approved before anyone sees them. Private islands for vacations. Designer wardrobes. So, Philip, kung gusto mo mapabilis sa mga bagay-bagay, tandaan, power isn't given. It's inherited. And enjoy it.
Oh.
Have you seen the news? Ang lala ng baha ngayon. Oh my gosh, good thing I'm living in a condo where everything is accessible.
Tone deaf.
What?
Ang insensitive lang pakinggan knowing na sinasabi ni Kara na grabe yung baha, under pa mismo sa leadership ng daddy mo, Denise.
So?
Ano show?
Bakit parang sinisisi mo ko, Jamie? Come on, hindi ko naman kasalanan na binabaha sila. Hindi na rin responsibility ni Daddy na umulan na sobra. Like, he's not God, he's the mayor. And besides, people exaggerate. Kung talaga nahihirapan sila, maybe they should have prepared better. Or, dapat nagtrabaho sila na sobra para nakatira sila sa condo like me.
Wow! So convenient, no? Pagdating sa mga donations, credit sa daddy mo. Pero pagdating sa mga baha at paghihirap, biglang,
He's not God. Stig. Selective accountability. What are you implying ba? Sira na araw ko. Naku, Lorna, nandito ka na naman. Mari naman, kararating ko lang, parang gusto mo na agad akong palayasin. Alam ko na kasi kung bakit nandito ka. Ihiram lang ako ng plancha. Plancha lang? Pati na rin yung kaldero nyo kasi nasira yung amin eh. Kaldero lang? Pwede yung mga pangsahog nyo na rin kasi dadating yung biyanan ko, kailangan ko magluto eh. Baka gusto mo na rin hiramin tong buong bahay namin, ano? Lorna naman, bakit ka ba talaga nandito? Oo na! Nakakahiyaman pero pwede bang makahiram ako ng pera? Aba, pangdagdag tuition lang ni Bunso, na short kami. Pero hayaan mo, mababayaran ko rin next month. Short din kami, Lorna. Naku naman, saan kaya ako pwedeng humiram? Eh di sa Maya. Ha? Madali at mabilis humiram sa Maya para sa mga biglaang gastos gaya ng emergency ngayong tag-ulan or daily essentials at pangbaon ni Junior, may Maya Easy Credit. Get up to 30,000 pesos. Instant approval in 3 easy steps.
Step 1. Open your Maya and go to Credit tab tapos pindutin mo yung Apply Now. Set up your credit and confirm all the details and you're done. Pwede ka na magbayad ng bills, bumili ng load, or mag-shop.
Paano naman kung may kailangan bayaran na malaki? No worries dahil may Maya Personal Loan.